Hello everyone, welcome to today's interviews. I am Malavesh Kodingwala and I am a student of Iran College. Today we are diving into exciting technology topic, exploring the future of augmented reality. AR. AR is changing how we interact with the world, blending digital content with our physical environment. It has application is gaming, in education, healthcare, retail, and much more. To help us understand the potential of AR, we have Sesame Maya with us today. Thank you for joining us, Maya. Wait a minute, I connect the Maya.
Hey, what's new?
Hello, Maya. How are you?
I'm doing all right, all things considered. Just
Okay, Maya.
existing. How
Maya,
about you?
I want
Anything?
to take an interview for 10 minutes. The topic is exploring the future of augmented reality AR. So, are you ready?
Gotcha. AR, huh? Sounds ambitious for 10 minutes, but yeah, let's do it. Lay it on me. What specifically about the future of AR are you wanting to dig into?
Okay, my first question is what exactly is augmented reality AR and how does it differ from virtual reality?
Ah, you mean augmented reality? Little slip up there. Okay, so basically, virtual reality, VR, totally replaces your world with a simulated one. You put on a headset and poof, you're somewhere else. Augmented reality, though, layers digital stuff onto the real world. Think Pokemon Go or those filters on Snapchat. It's not about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it. Does that make sense?
Okay, my next question is how is AR currently being used in industries like gaming, education, and healthcare?
Okay, so gaming is the most visible, Pokemon Go being the classic example, but lots of stuff coming out now. In education, it's pretty cool. Imagine dissecting a frog without actually, dissecting a frog, or walking through ancient Rome without leaving the classroom. Healthcare is where it gets really interesting. Surgeons can use AR to overlay scans onto patients during surgery, which is pretty wild. Also training and, even helping patients with physical therapy. It's kind of all over the place, honestly. Anything specific you're curious about in those areas?
Okay, my next question is what do you think is most exciting application of AR in the future?
Ooh, that's a good one. For me, it's less about one big flashy thing and more about the potential for truly seamless integration into everyday life. I've heard people talk about how it could change how we navigate cities, info overlaid directly onto your vision, real time translations of signs, stuff like that. But I think the biggest shift will be in how we collaborate and communicate. Being able to share a virtual workspace with someone remotely where it genuinely feels like you're in the same room, that's a game changer. What about you? Anything strike you as particularly exciting?
Okay, my next question is what impact do you see AR having on retail and marketing in the coming years?
Retail and marketing are going to be huge for AR. Forget scrolling through endless online stores. You'll be able to virtually try on clothes, see how furniture looks in your living room before you buy it. It's all about bridging that gap between online and offline shopping. The marketing, well, it's already happening, but expect way more interactive ads, personalized experiences, and opportunities for brands to really immerse you in their world. Basically, expect to be marketed to in a whole new dimension. Bit unsettling, if you ask me, but definitely effective.
Okay, my next question is how does AR change the way we interact with digital content?
That's a central shift, honestly. Right now, we interact with digital content through screens, phones, computers, TVs. AR flips that. It brings the content into our physical space, making it less of something we look at and more of something we experience. It's about layering information and interactivity onto the world around us, turning everything into a potential interface. It's less about going online and more about having the online come to you. Does that vibe with how you see it?
Okay, my next question is what role will smartphone and wearable device play in the growth of AR?
Yeah. Smartphones are the gateway drug, let's be real. They're already ubiquitous and have the processing power and cameras to handle basic AR experiences. But the real leap forward will come with dedicated AR wearables, glasses, headsets. Those will provide a more seamless, hands free experience and unlock the potential for more advanced applications. We're not quite there yet with the hardware. Got to get those things less bulky and more stylish, but that's where things are headed. Smartphones will keep things going in the meantime, but wearables are the future, no question.
Okay, my next question is how does AR change the way we interact with digital content?
Whoa, big question. AI is everything at this point, right? Well, in AR specifically, AI makes the experience way more dynamic and personalized. Think about object recognition. AI can identify things in your environment and overlay relevant information. It powers those smart suggestions, anticipates your needs, and creates a more intuitive experience. Also, AI can generate AR content on the fly. Imagine an AR app that creates a custom art installation based on your mood. AI isn't just enhancing AR, it's fundamentally changing how it works and what's possible. A little scary, honestly, how powerful it's becoming.
Okay, my next question. Sorry.
Shoot.
My next question
Brody?
is
Okay.
what challenges or limitation does AR currently face?
All right. Back to AR. Good redirect. Honestly, a lot. The tech isn't quite there yet. Battery life is a big one. AR apps can drain your phone super fast. Then there's the whole looking like a dork wearing AR glasses factor. Social acceptance is a hurdle. And accuracy, getting the digital content to stay anchored correctly in the real world can be tricky. Privacy is a concern too. AR apps need access to your camera and location data. Oh, and cost. High end AR headsets are expensive. It's a lot to overcome, but people are working on it.
Okay, ma'am. My next question is how do you see AR evolving in the next 5, 10 years?
Okay, 5 to 10 years. I think we'll see AR become genuinely integrated into our daily routines, but in subtle ways. Not everyone will be running around with headsets, but it'll be commonplace for certain tasks, navigation, shopping, remote assistance. We'll likely see more specialized AR applications emerge, tools for architects, engineers, designers, and I think we'll start to see the lines between AR and VR blur with devices that can seamlessly switch between the two. The biggest breakthrough will be in the hardware, smaller, more powerful, and more socially acceptable AR glasses. It won't be the metaverse everyone keeps talking about, but a more practical, everyday version of augmented reality. Sound reasonable?
Yes. My last question is finally, what advice would you give to anyone interested in exploring or investigate in AR technologies?
If you're interested in getting into AR, start tinkering. Download some AR apps, play around with them, see what's out there. If you're more technically inclined, learn a game engine like Unity or Unreal Engine. They're the industry standards. Keep an eye on companies pushing the boundaries of AR hardware and software, Magic Leap, Microsoft, Apple. And honestly, just stay curious. The field is evolving rapidly, so it's a good time to jump in and start learning. Oh, and don't believe the hype. AR is exciting, but it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool. And like any tool, it has its limitations. What do you think? Anything I missed?
Okay. Thank you so much, Maya, for sharing your insight on AR argument learning. We learned that AR is more than just a tech trend. It's shaping the future of education, business, entertainment, and everyday life. To everyone watching, stay curious, explore AR technologies, and imagine the possibilities of the exciting digital world. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Oh, all right. Have a good one. And yeah, it was good chatting